Hey everyone, so today I'm going to do a unboxing video for you all. So a couple of weeks ago, a brand called Wanderlust Co reached out to me and they said that they wanted to send me some stuff, and so I said, okay, why not? It's very weird for me, honestly, to receive these kind of like PR packages, just because first of all, I'm not an influencer. Second of all, I do Instagram and YouTube literally for fun. It's just a creative outlet outside of my job. So when brands contact me and they said, hey, we want to send you some stuff, I'm always a bit surprised because, I mean, who am I? So it's always a bit, I don't know, it's just a weird situation. But I'm just gonna be frank with you all that this is a PR package and it is gifted and I did not purchase it. Because I have a public account on Instagram and on YouTube, there's a lot of brands always reaching out to me, but honestly 98% of the time I always say no, just because one, I don't know the brand. Second of all, if it doesn't match like my aesthetic or my values, I decline. However, when Wanderlust Co reached out to me, I was really surprised because Wanderlust Co is a pretty famous brand here in Asia. It is a Malaysian brand and it is owned by a woman, so I'm always happy to support brands with, you know, a really powerful woman behind it. And I've known this brand actually for a year now, I think more than a year. Before that, I've never actually heard about this brand, and the reason why I fell in love with this brand is because when I was in Kuala Lumpur last year, I think around August, I actually went and see some of their pieces, and I actually have a necklace from them. So I know about this brand, so actually when they reached out to me, I was like, yeah, why not send, you know, a PR package to me, because I honestly love this brand a lot and I love their jewelry and like their bohemian aesthetic. So without further ado, and I'm sorry if I'm rambling too much, I'm gonna show you what I got. So this is what they sent to me, and it's really lightweight, so it's not like heavy. So I know it's not a lot of things that they send me, but I'm really thankful that they wanna, you know, send me these pieces, because I don't know, it's always fun to get some packages. And unboxing videos are honestly my favorite thing to watch on IGTV or on Instagram or on YouTube. I don't know, they're so fun to watch. So here you go. So really well packaged with bubble wrap. I honestly love the box that they give. I own this one because I bought a necklace and I love this blue color. It's one of like my favorite blue colors. It's like this, I don't know, like this turquoisey blue pastel color. And so this is the box that they sent to me. Really well packaged in bubble wrap, like I've mentioned. So it looks like this. Wanderlust Co. I honestly love their packaging so much. I don't know, it's like luxury in a box. I'm honestly super excited to see what they sent to me. I love this color. This, I don't know, already the box, I'm obsessed with the box. Anyways, this is so pretty. It has like a card inside. It says, "Dear Nathalie, thank you for being such a valued member of our WCO Girl Gang. We're thrilled to welcome you to our global campaign, which celebrates jewels and individuality. We hope you love your new jewelry, especially handpicked from our latest collection. We look forward to hearing your general feedback on Wanderlust Co, as well as the jewelry piece and collection. Speak soon, Team WCO." And there's like an Instagram handle on there too. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Oh, I love it. It's like a necklace. Oh, it's so cute. I love dainty jewelries. If you guys didn't know, I'm actually pretty short, so when I wear jewelries, I like it to be like dainty and, I don't know, like small and elegant. Oh, this is so cool. It says here that it's 14 to 18 karat gold, gilt or rhodium plated, so it is nickel free. Oh, it's so pretty. By Inspired Hearts for Your Adventures, Wanderlust Co. It's so pretty. I'm gonna open it. How pretty. How many times can I say pretty? I look so dumb sometimes in this video, but it's like, oh, this is so pretty, it's so cute. But it is actually. It is really pretty and it is really cute. Oh wow, I love it. I'm gonna show to you about how pretty is this necklace. Look at this. How pretty is this? I love it. It's so elegant and I'm pretty sure I can wear it with a lot of the clothes that I have, and I'm pretty sure I can wear it also like every day. Thank you so much, Wanderlust Co team. It's really, really pretty. Love it. So yeah, if you like anything like bohemian inspired, celestial, then you need to check out Wanderlust Co. I'm gonna link their Instagram handle as well as their website so you can have a look. And I'm gonna wear it now. It's so pretty. Okay, so after like 2 hours struggling to try to put this necklace by myself, I've finally put it on. And actually what is nice with this necklace is that it is adjustable. So there's like 2 hooks, one here and one down below, so you can make it like as a choker or you can make it longer. And I'm gonna flip it over. Look, how pretty is this? Wait. That's it. This is so pretty. I love it. I love necklaces that sits like on your collarbone. I don't know. I find like collarbone very, very like attractive. Anyways, maybe I'm kind of weird. So yeah, this is it. This is the necklace that the team of Wanderlust Co sent to me. So there you go. I really hope that you've enjoyed this video, and do let me know if you want to see something like this more often. I do not get a lot of PR packaging, to be honest, because like I've mentioned before, I'm not like an influencer. I'm just like a normal person. But who knows, maybe in the future if I receive more and more of these, I mean, you never know, I would definitely bring you along this journey. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for the support. It really means a lot to me. And yeah, don't forget to give this video some love, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.